working on?
I'm finishing up the camera. I just installed the camera on the truck. Jack of all trades is a master of none, but oftentimes better than a master of one. So I think it's definitely worth it to be varied in your knowledge. It's like if everybody only saw the world through one color, that would kind of suck.
All right, gentlemen, let's get the day started. All right, so Brian, Steven, you guys are coming out of storage today. There's 2 trucks on this one. I think you guys only use 1 to bring them here. So what we're gonna do is, let's first make sure that it all fits in 1 truck, because we're gonna do a stop at a house in Dewey, Arizona, and then they're all going to Prescott. So we'll just make sure that we have enough space in that 1 truck, and then if we do, then we'll send 1 off and then start picking that up while we finish up here, and then we'll all meet up at the unload at the very end. So that's what today looks like. Tomorrow is a very busy day, so just make sure that you guys are prepared to come in and ready to go on that. Monday is busy as well. Monday is a holiday, so you guys will get the extra $5 an hour on that day as well. All right, gentlemen, let's get the day started. Let's go out there, have a good day, and make some money.
Ghost on 3. 1, 2, 3, ghost!
You know where Sway at?
I believe that the arm wrestle contest.
Arm wrestler. Where at?
In Somerton.
Somerton? Ooh, he gonna win now. He gonna rip somebody's arm off for throwing.
Nah, I'm mixing it up, so I don't see what my technique is, you know what I mean? I'm doing both. Okay, no, yeah, I like to do hammer curls. Get your hip in there too. But, just warm up the bicep. Okay. That's the mic. We gotta get warmed up here, you know? Just go side to side, side to side. Spring to the cup. All right, gotta extend your arm and then drop your body. And then pull the ears. Okay, I'm feeling kind of good. There you go. What's up, bro? Hey, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going with Phoenix boys, everyone? Yeah.
Is live now, so we'll have some commentary and everything like that. For those that don't know me, my name's the Aussie arm wrestler Jake Ward. Yes, this accent is real, and yes, it is proper annoying. I can tell you that right now. Big shout out to my wife for putting up with it. So we're going to get started very, very soon.
Bro, 185 right. Both way, reverse.
I gotta go.
I'm gonna close your hand first. Rotate, rotate, wrist, wrist, wrist. Don't move.
Right, here.
Yeah, full sway. Yeah, full sway. Got over.
Come on, Max! Max!
Don't move. Elbow down.
So I got in the finals for 205, so that's good, you know? Both arms? For left right now, yeah. And at 185, I went against Steve. I came with him in our dojo. In 2 finals so far, but this left.
Both way and move here. Please come stand over here. Amateur 205 is starting.
Rotate. Don't move. Go! Stop. I got elbow over here. Yep. Go! where your hand did. That's all. You just want. You want to feel this, and that's all you want to do. You don't want to hold on at all. You're literally, he's here on you, right?
Hold it right there! Good shot. Good job, baby. Byron, my man.
Don't move.
Right now, I think we got third for the right hand. And then I think I got second for the left. And I got a finals for the left pros 205. So that one class that I went up, I got the finals against the dude that runs this casino. So I'm gonna beat him. I'm gonna go for it. It's gonna be nice. Let's go.
Square your shoulders.
He was good. He's giving enough to look.
Centers this way a little bit right there. Don't move.
I got second, left and right, so I'm pretty proud of that. And then my brother also.
I got second and third amateur, so overall I'm pretty proud.
Yeah.
It was a fun time.
I'm definitely proud of ourselves, for just taking that step of faith and giving it our all. So, yeah, I was excited. Many more tournaments in the future for sure, and we'll get that #1 soon. Yeah, and appreciate the dose for the sponsorship, showing the love. Thank you. More tournaments coming soon, so show the love, Yeah.